Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am back with another interesting video related to Instagram in which we will see how to make Instagram highlight covers. Okay, so without further delays, let's get into our video. I will use PixArt for creating my highlight, and if you don't have PixArt in your mobile then you have to install it. So first you have to go to Play Store and from here you have to search for PixArt. Okay, so just search for PixArt and this is the app. You have to install this app to your mobile. So as I have already installed this app, so I will just open it. After that you have to click on this plus option and just scroll down. I will select this one. So this is the background of our cover. I will click on this tools and click on this shape crop. You have to select this circle, okay, and click on next. So if you want to add borders, then you can also add by clicking here. If I click on this black, then you can see that our color has been changed, and I will just keep it white. So this is our initial step. After that you have to add a picture here. So I will click on this sticker. So here you can search for different pictures. As I am relating my Instagram highlight picture with my car, so I will just search for any car because I had car in my picture. So from here I will just select this one. Now here you can just increase size of this car or any picture you want to add here. Okay, so it looks perfect. I will click on this checkbox at the top and click on this arrow. Okay, now you have to click on this save. So my picture is saved in gallery. I will just cut this option and I will go back to my Instagram. Now to edit any highlight, you have to click on that highlight and click on this more. After that go to edit highlight. Here you can just change your Instagram highlight title or you can add more pictures. I will just click on this edit cover. Now just tap on this icon. So this was our cover. I will click on next. Now click on done. So here you can see that I have successfully added this Instagram highlight cover to my Instagram highlight. Hope you have liked today's video. For more Instagram videos, please subscribe to my channel.